We're back out again this weekend. We're up in the Trossachs and this is another wee bit of ken. So we're out for a wander. It'll be really windy this afternoon and it's now flat calm, and the water here, it's like a mirror. The reflections are absolutely incredible. I'll take you down to the water's edge here and I'll let you see them. Absolutely flat calm. Well, we're heading out, so I've got the MSR and I've got a tarp because it's to get wet later on. So nice forest trails. Well, I've packed up tonight, we're out bikepacking it. So I've got everything I need on these couple of panniers at the back. There, and I've got the tent, so I've got the MSR, my camera gear, and everything else is on the bike packs. So we're heading up deep into the forest. I was out for a recce earlier on and found a cracking wee spot. So look near there, the distance is Benvenue, up part of the Trossachs. Oh, a beautiful place. I found this wee trail earlier on when I was out with the bike, so this is where we are tonight. A lot of wind damage all around about, but where I am it's good strong trees. And there's the tent. I've got the MSR Elixir 2 and I've got a wee bit made up here, a shelter if the rain comes. I've got the tarp and I've got the bike underneath there. And there's a change on, there's a wee wind changing and there's the black clouds are coming. I take it we're going to get rain just shortly. And a lot of it. I just need to batten down the hatches. We've got the tent all pitched up and you can see the cloud cover in the back there. It's just, you can feel a drop in the temperature and there's a wee wind starting to pick up again. So it looks like there's a bit of storm coming in. So I'm out the MSR tonight and I've got a tarp built up in the woods just a wee bit further there for the tent. But bring it on. The power of Mother Nature. Again, these trees are no deep rooted, but when there's a strong storm, it just lifts them up as if they're nothing. So you can see the rocks underneath there and that, it's pulled up the plate. It's just like a bit of carpet hanging there. And the trees behind it's absolutely massive. Well, I was at Go Outdoor last week and my fire pit has finally gave up the ghost, so I treated myself to a nice shiny new one. There you go, unpacking that. That's a high gear, this one. It's actually a barbecue, but it doubles as a fire pit. And I used my last one to pieces, and actually this part wore out, and I made a new one, and I wore it out as well. I was using it virtually every week, so it's raised fire pit up off the ground and doesn't need damage. But as I say, Go Outdoors got a sale on this week, and this is normally £30, and they're selling it there now for $14.99, so go and grab yourself a bargain. It's a wee high gear barbecue pit. We've got the rain. Okay, I've got a couple of chicken drumsticks and a thigh and a pork chop. I've got them cooked in the barbecue in the pouring rain. We've got the rain. Clap of thunder there, so if you're not seeing any lightning yet, but my Christ, it's raining. Glad I put the tap up. Great way to wash your dishes in the middle of a storm. It's amazing. Thunder and lightning cracking all the way around me. The rain absolutely relentless. The best way to catch water from the That's us nearly packed up. What a night. Like somebody playing the drums on the tent all night with the sound of the rain. I've got most of the stuff packed into the bike now. I've got all the tarp and everything all down for up in the trees. That certainly saved me last night anyway. So the bike was under the tarp and all the other gear, so everything was nice and dry. I just dropped the corners right down so it was covering the bike. But I've got a brilliant wee spot here. I'd love to come back here when it's nice and dry, but nice clear morning and misty on the trees. So I'm going to get the tent down now, get it packed up and head back out to the car park. Oh, as I say, that's the first time I've been out in the Specialized. It's a Vodo, it's an electric e-bike, so it allows me to get to places where I wouldn't normally be able to walk in, and everything goes on the panniers at the back, so there'll be a lot of new destinations with this coming year. So if you enjoyed that, get a wee thumbs up and leave a comment below. If you've not subscribed to the channel, please do, because it helps it grow. So until the next time, be good, stay safe, and I'll catch you soon. I folded it open just to try and dry it out. Absolutely perfect. A wee tiny bit of moisture on the inside, but the inner capsule itself is bone dry, not a dribble come through. And that's one of the worst storms I've been in. So all good, that's the MSR Elixir 2. In the morning after a storm, How could you see that coming from the amount of rain? Oh, the wee chaffinches that we had last night and to come up this morning. Blue skies, starting to burn off the loch. Great day to be on the trails. So it'll be about a 20-minute cycle back out to the car park. There's a view this morning coming off the hill. You can see the mist still lying round about the peaks. That was a cracking day. And the Trossachs is very understated, and a lot of people come out here, and I'm quite happy that way because I've got most of the place to myself. Most of the big places are all overrun with campers and what have you, but up here you hardly see a soul. Absolutely great.